How to change your email address on Roblox. So you can do this over any web browser. I'm gonna be using Chrome. So once you get inside of the Roblox homepage, what you want to do is head over to the settings right here, and then right here where it says email address, right next to it there should be an edit button right here that says update email. Click on that and then type in the new email. Then type in your password. And there you go, an email has been sent for verification. So what you gotta do now is head over to your email. Once here, go to updates and you should receive this email right here. Just click on the verify email button. And there you go, you've successfully changed your email. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.